Hello students, in this question we have to find the potential difference across the plates of the 1 microfarad capacitors. First of all, we have to find the equivalent capacitance in the given circuits. After then, we can find the potential difference between the plates of the 1 microfarad capacitor. So, let us find the equivalent capacitance between the plates of these circuits. There are first of all we find the equivalent capacitance between those branch of the circuits which have maximum number of capacitors connected. In this case, we see that 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad are connected in a parallel combination, because the first plate of the capacitor 3 microfarad and the first plate of the capacitor 6 microfarad are connected between the points A and B. The second plate is connected to the another point B of the negative plate. So, we can say that these two capacitors are connected into the parallel combination. Parallel combination are those combination in which the first plate of the capacitors are connected to the same point with the positive charge, and the another plate of the all capacitors are connected to the negative charge and the other points. So, here these capacitors are connected into the parallel combination, and we know that in the parallel combination the equivalent of the capacitance is given equal to C equal to C1 plus C2, C equal to C1 plus C2, where C1 and C2 are two capacitors, capacitance of the capacitor. So, here C1 equal to, in this circuit C1 equal to 3 microfarad, C1 equal to 3 microfarad and C2 equal to 6 microfarad. Therefore, the equivalent of these two capacitors are given by C dash equal to C1 plus C2, because they are in parallel combination. For parallel combination, for parallel combination, this will equal to 3 microfarad plus 6 microfarad, and overall this will becomes 9 microfarad. This will be the equivalent capacitance of the capacitors of the 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad. Now, this circuit reduced as by replacing the 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad capacitor, we put or we connect only one capacitor whose value is 9 microfarad. Yani, that means this will replaced like this. 9 microfarad in the place of 3 microfarad, and the 6 microfarad we place another capacitors whose value is 9 microfarad, and 9 microfarad comes from the equivalent capacitors of the two capacitors 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad. So, this will be 9 microfarad, and this 9 microfarad will be connected to the another capacitors of 4 microfarad. with the series combination. This is 4 microfarad. This is 4 microfarad. Now this circuit reduced as this. This circuit is reduced like this, and here another capacitance is connected 12 microfarad with this, and 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad capacitors are as the same position, and this will be like this. This figure reduced as this. Here is 2 microfarad and this is 1 microfarad. Now we see that in this circuit 4 microfarad and 9 microfarad are in the series combination, because if this is connected to the positive charge plus, then this will become minus, plus, minus. When alternate plus minus charges are given to the plates, then this will becomes series combination. So we will write here 4 microfarad and 9 microfarad are in the series combination. Therefore its equivalent will be 1 upon C double dash equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 9. That this will equal to 9 4 ja 36, 9 and 9 4 ja 30. Now the LCM of 4 and 9 36, 9 plus 4 13. This will equal to 13 upon 36, 1 upon C double dash. This implies that C double dash equal to 36 upon 13 microfarad. This implies that C double dash equal to 36 by 13. Now on simplify or calculating the equivalent of the 4 microfarad and 9 microfarad, this will replaced by the 36 by 30 microfarad. Now 4 microfarad and 9 microfarad is replaced by the 36 upon 13 microfarad. So this will becomes like this: C double dash, that is 36 upon 13 microfarad, and this will becomes 12 microfarad, and this is equal to 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad, and this will connected to the cell by the 6 volt. Now we have to find the equivalent between the two capacitors, 36 upon 13 microfarad and 12 microfarad. As in the figure, we see that these are the parallel combination, because the first plate of this capacitor and this capacitor are connected at the same point, this, and the second plate of these capacitors are connected to the point, this. So they are in the parallel combination. On finding the equivalent of these two capacitors, we have C double dash. Since they are the parallel combination, therefore these equivalents C triple dash can be written as C double dash plus 12 microfarad. This will equal to C double dash, that is 36 upon 13 plus 12 microfarad. LCM will be 13 and this will become 36 plus ये कितना जाएगा 13 into 12 156. On adding we get 6 and 6 12 2 carry 1 5 or 3 8 carry 1 9 1 1 2 divided by 13 microfarad C triple dash. Now we see that this circuit reduced as 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, and this is 292 by 13 microfarad. Now we see that all these capacitors 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad and 292 divided by 13 microfarads are in the series combination, because if the charge on this plate is plus Q, then this will also plus Q, this will minus Q, plus minus plus minus. That means they are alternatively plus minus with the charges. So we will find the equivalent of these three capacitors, that is 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad and 292 divided by 13 microfarad, which are in the series combination. Okay. We will write here 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad and 292 by 13 microfarad are in the series. Therefore, its equivalent will be 1 by C equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 292 by 13, that means 13 upon 292. The LCM will be 292. This will 292. This will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12 plus 13. 292. On adding we get 3 and 6, 9, 9 and 2, 11, 9 and 2, 11, 1 carry 1, 2 of 4, 6, 6 and 9, 6 and 9, 15, 5 carry 1, 1 and carry 1, 2, 2 or 2, 4, 451. 1 upon C equal to this. This means C equal to 292 divided by 451 microfarad. This is the equivalent capacitance of the capacitors connected in the given figure. Now we have to find the potential of the plates between the capacitor 1 microfarad. In this figure, Q charge is given to the 1 microfarad. So potential of the cell is given 6 volt and the equivalent capacitance is C. Then we will find the whole charge in this circuit. This will equal to, since Q equal to CV. Here we have the value of C, which is equal to 292 divided by 451. 292 divided by 451 into potential of the cell is given 6 volt. It is 6. This will equal to 6 to the 12, carry 1, 6 9 ja 54 and carry 55, carry 5, 6 to the 12 and 5, 12 and 5, 17 divided by 451 Coulomb. This is the charge in the whole circuit which is given by the cell 6 volt. Now, if the capacitance of this capacitor, since the capacitance of this capacitance, that is 1 microfarad, is 1 microfarad. So, if C equal to 1 microfarad, Q equal to 1752 divided by 451 Coulomb, then V equal to Q by C, which is 1752 divided by 451 and divided by C. C means 1 microfarad. That is 1752 divided by 451 volt. On dividing, we will get the correct answer of this. On simplification, we get the value of V, which is equal to 3.88 volt. So we can say that in any complicated circuit, we can find the charge or potential on solving all these complicated circuit by finding the equivalent capacitance in the circuit and then whatever the asked in the question. So thank you for watching my video. If you are not subscribed still, please subscribe my channel and do watching my all videos. Thank you.